Minister of State for Finance, Budget and National Planning, Clem Agba, says at least 2 million direct beneficiaries have been impacted by the country's Action, Recovery and Economic Stimulus NG Cares program. The NG Cares is a program aimed at mitigating the impact of COVID-19 on poor and vulnerable households as well as businesses. Lara Folayo reports.
The Action, Recovery and Economic Stimulus NG Cares initiative is a fallout of the $750 million credit facility received by the Nigerian government from the World Bank to aid the country's 36 states and the FCT in creating programs that will mitigate the impact of COVID-19 on target beneficiaries. The country's states and the FCT got the funds as emergency relief for the poor, vulnerable, smallholder farmers and SMEs negatively affected by COVID-19. The fiscal authorities now say reports from the project's implementation show that at least 2 million people have benefited.
The purpose of the support is to mitigate the economic and social shocks faced by poor and vulnerable Nigerians as a result of the lockdown during the COVID-19 crisis. The credit is on lent to the 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory, which with each state allocated $20 million and the Federal Capital Territory $15 million. It is a multi-sectoral program designed to provide immediate emergency relief across various sectors to vulnerable and poor Nigerians, smallholder farmers, and SMEs that were adversely affected by COVID-19 pandemic.
Zamfara State emerged best in the utilization of the first disbursement, totaling 45.3 billion naira as grants given the states under the NG Cares program. 7 states, including Benue, Ebonyi, Kogi, Taraba, Enugu, Ogun, and Imo State, which didn't make progress in the first disbursement, were unable to repay the advance.
The metrics that have been set, if the IVA companies are satisfied, they will say so and also tell us what the state has spent. So what we are doing is refunding to the states what they have spent.
The fiscal authorities say states that didn't get reimbursed under the current round would be paid in other rounds. They also add that going forward there will be more assessments and the eligible states that meet the criteria will be reimbursed accordingly. Lara Folayo, TVC News, Abuja.